The silence hangs so heavy now, where laughter used to bloom. A hollow echo in the space, a shadow in the room. I replay every word I spoke, the careless, thoughtless sting, and the weight of what I've done, it makes my poor heart sing a mournful tune. I'm sorry, oh I'm sorry, the words just tumble out. I never meant to hurt you, there isn't any doubt. What can I say to let this break to turn back yesterday? Didn't want it to end this way, no, never wanted it this way. So I'm writing you this feeling, letting every letter bleed, to let you know how sorry I am, planting this heartfelt seed. Babe, I'm sorry, oh, I'm sorry. A whisper on the breeze, oh yeah. Said I'm sorry, down on my trembling knees. I know I should think before I speak. It's a lesson learned in pain, but when I'm with you, all my defenses fall, and I just go weak again. I'm sorry, oh I'm sorry, the words just tumble out. I never meant to hurt you, there isn't any doubt.